Hey YouTube, Gallagher123123 here with a hotel room tour. This is room 724 at the Rosen Center Hotel in Orlando, Florida. Thought we'd take a look at it and I'll show you what it offers for amenities and give some thoughts about this room, which has been my home for the last week as I've been attending the NFB convention. Alright, so as we come in the door here, on the right, on the left we don't really have anything of interest, but on the right is where we start to have an entryway here where we can get to the bathroom. Now, very interesting layout choice, and I remember this was also the case at Rosen Shingle Creek, where I've also stayed, that when we come in here, on the left, we have the sink and a mirror and all that fun stuff. Very nice sink, and it has good pressure. So that's there. Then, to the right of the sink is the light switch for this area, and you press it up to turn it on, down for off. So we'll leave that on so you guys can have a good view in. And next to that, we have the door for the actual bathroom, which has the shower and toilet. So if we come in here, okay, I already have the light on. As I make my way in, you'll see we do have the toilet straight ahead and the tub and shower combination with shower curtain on the right. That's there. It's pretty good. It's been a good pressure. And on the left is kind of a area where you can put things. Oops, I have my toiletry bag there, and of course the hotel does supply some products for you to use when you're in here. So on the left, I believe, let me see if I can look at these too. Okay, so on the left is body lotion. The one in the middle, so number 2, is, I want to say shower gel. Yep. No, the shampoo, sorry. This one is the shower gel. And finally, we have conditioner. So from left to right, it is the body lotion, shampoo, shower gel, and the conditioner. So those are there for you. Hopefully that will help if you're ever staying at the Rosen Center, know kind of where each of those items is. And again, we have the area for storing things, so toiletries and stuff. And below that is an area for, looks like some towels and trash. Toilet paper, of course, is here. And hanging up our 2 bath towels. The room was just made a while ago. Okay, and I think that's all the main things here, but as we've done on the cruise ship tours, might as well continue the trend here. Now, unlike the cruise ship, I feel like that took forever. Okay. And, oh, I forgot to mention, coming into the bathroom, that there is a similar light switch. Press up turns it off. Down turns it off. And up turns it on. No, actually, you may have noticed there's a bathroom fan. And there's also an outlet there as well. Okay, so come back out here. And here again is the sink area. Now, behind the sink area, just give a quick tour. We do have some closet space. So 2 doors, and the safe is also here. In here, so the safe is very easy to use. And the buttons are quite tactile with a dot on 5, so you simply enter in a PIN code and press pound. And now the safe is locked. I can't open it. But if we put in the PIN again, and they've installed a new safe since I was here at the Rosen Center in 2015. But that is your nice closet space, and they have a good amount of hangers, actually. All right, let's come out of here. Close these doors up. And now as we face the closet, the bathroom door's on the left. Let's come out of the closet and bathroom area and come further into the room where we will have a mirror. So there I am. I'm wearing my NFB convention badge, actually. And then to the left, we have this kind of combination, I would call it, of like a bureau and desk area. So that's what this looks like. I have some stuff on it. There is a coffee maker, it looks like, that we could use. And above that, there is a TV mounted on the wall. Nice big TV, and sound is pretty good on it. And kind of underneath that TV, throughout the room, there are these power stations with wall outlets and some USB as well. So actually, I'm using one over here for my Apple Watch charger. And underneath, kind of where that TV is and kind of the bureau part of it, there's two kind of areas that we can open, including one that has the fridge down there. And then on the other side, we have one drawer. This was kind of weird to me. One drawer. I have some clothes in there, so I'll have to pack that up tonight, leaving tomorrow. And then there's kind of a shelf underneath where I put a few things. So not as much like drawer space as I was expecting, to be honest. And then over here we do have the kind of the desk area, which does have a nice chair. And I have my MacBook Air on that desk right now. But then you have a lamp that has a switch to turn the light on. There it is. And a USB and wall outlet on the lamp. So you can power stuff at the desk. And, oh, here's something I didn't talk about. The beds. This room has 2 queen beds. I'll say very comfortable queen beds, so that's good. Okay. And the nightstand, which has a phone, which I believe is a Cisco phone, actually. And an alarm clock, which the previous guest had set and was going off at 7 o'clock in the morning. And I couldn't figure out how to turn it off. So that was fun. And above that, there's the kind of the bed lamps, and there are 2 switches, one for either side of the bed. So that's that. And we have another one of these nice power stations that I was talking about, with the 2 wall outlets and a USB port. Now it's a USB-A port, so do keep that in mind. There's one of the beds. And finally, we'll end. Oh, actually, below that, there is a bit more storage here as well under the nightstand that you can use. So there is good places that you can put stuff. That's good. Now, let's do a quick look over here at the view. If I can get... There we go. There's one side. Yeah. That's the view from 724. I'm actually going to go ahead and close... Oh, let's see. Yeah, I'm going to close this up. So there are 2, like, I don't know what you call these things, curtain rods, I guess, that you can pull across, and there's the first layer is behind that, and they're kind of the blackout curtains, I guess is what you call those, and there's like another layer. So if you close these up, it does get pretty dark. Now I'm going to, if I can get, there we go. think I'll just leave them like that. And that's gonna do it, I think, for this very comfortable room at the Rosen Center Hotel in Orlando, Florida. There might have been one or two things I've missed along the way, but I think I've covered most of it. Alright, so very comfortable hotel room. And for those of you who are fans of the elevators, stay tuned. I did record them, so that should be up at some point. Alright, that's going to do it for this one. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give the video a like. Subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified about upcoming videos. Follow me on Twitter at Gallagher123123. You can also find me on Mastodon at Gallagher123123 at dragonscave.space. Thank you again for watching. We will see you in an upcoming video.